everyone, I'm Chef Nargiz, and today I'll show you how to make the best lemon bars. These are perfect little treats that are great to share with your family and friends. They taste delicious yet are simple. And it doesn't matter whether you are a beginner or advanced, you can do it. Now let's get on with the ingredients. The ingredients you'll be needing are 1 cup of softened butter, which is basically butter at room temperature, half a cup of white sugar for the base, 2 cups of all-purpose flour for the base, 4 eggs, which we have cracked right here, 1.5 cups of white sugar for the top, 1/4 of a cup of all-purpose flour for the top, and 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, and last but not least, the juice of 2 lemons. You'll also need 2 bowls, a hand mixer, an oven, and a 9 by 13 inch pan. This exact amount includes 9 servings. But are you planning on making these bars for a party? Let's say you need to make 30 servings. Using rates, unit rates, and proportions can help you. Let's start with the butter. If 1 cup serves 9 people, then 1 cup divided by 9, which is 1/9 cup, makes 1 serving. Next, you multiply 1/9 of a cup by 30 because you're making 30 servings, and that equals 3 1/3 cups of softened butter. Continue using these steps with all other ingredients. Half a cup of white sugar for 9 servings, so 1/18 cup of white sugar for 1 serving. 1/18 times 30 equals 1 2/3 cups of white sugar. 2 cups of all-purpose flour for 9 servings, and 2/9 cup for 1 serving. 2/9 times 30 equals 6 2/3 cups for 30 servings. You get the point? Anyways, do that to all of the ingredients, and then you will have the amounts for 30 servings. I'm still making these for 9 servings, so let's start making the crust. The first thing that you must do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, get a medium bowl and blend together your softened butter, 2 cups of flour, and half a cup of white sugar. And mix all 3 of those ingredients together very well. After that, press your solution into the bottom of an ungreased 13 by 9 inch pan. You want to make sure that the dough is evenly distributed. Smooth out all of the edges and make sure that there are no holes. If you'd like, you can use this type of roller to smooth it all out. Once you've done all of the requirements, bake this in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. While that's cooking, we will make the top. In another bowl, whisk together the remaining sugar and flour. Whisk this first carefully. Once mixed, whisk in the 4 eggs and lemon juice. Be sure to add a little bit of lemon juice at a time. Once it's well mixed, try it and see if there's enough lemon. I think it's too sweet, so I'm going to add some more lemon juice. After 17 minutes, our crust is finally ready, so let's take it out. It's nice and golden color. It smells delicious. So the crust is ready, but we still need to let it cool and firm up. So now that our crust is finally cooled, we will pour our solution on top of it. Spread it out evenly. Okay, so now that we've done that, we need to bake it for an additional 20 minutes in the preheated oven, so let's go ahead and do that. So it's 350 degrees Fahrenheit still for 20 minutes. Now we'll leave it baking in there for 20 minutes. Now that our final baking step is complete, we can finally take it out of the oven. Ooh, that's really hot. So there we go, we got it out of the oven. Now it's out of the oven and we need to let it cool and firm up. Once it's cooled, we will cut it up into pieces and then put powdered sugar on top.